Hello, advanced math students. Today we are going to talk about the last thing you need to do in our angles self-paced unit, and that is the Selfieometry Project. And yes, it's not a real word, but we're going to go with it. Selfieometry. Let's see if I can actually underline this. Selfieometry. Okay, so here we go. First of all, these are all geometry words that you should know, ones that we have dealt with in this unit, all of these, others that we have dealt with in other ones, and ones that you should already know. All sorts of geometry words that you should know. Now, you're not going to be using all of these, but you are going to be using a good chunk of them. So here are the directions for our project, and you will find the PDF for this in Schoology. So this video is going to be in Schoology, and there's a PDF in Schoology that has this all in it as well. And we're going to go through one at a time. So first of all, you're going to go around the school, outside, home, whatever, and you are going to take 6 pictures of with you and 1 or 2 of the geometry words listed above on the PDF, but on the previous page. So I did one example. You're going to take 6 pictures. It has to include you some way, somehow, and it has to include 2 of the geometry words listed on the PDF. So here we go. Here's my example. Here's me, obviously in my classroom, and I did parallel lines, which was here and here, and then I did a transversal, which was here. So there's me. Here's me, and 2 of the words on the list. So then you're going to move to number 2. On each picture, whoops, I wanted to highlight this, so let's see if I can't get my things right. On each picture, you're going to explain what the geometry word is and define it. You're basically going to label it and define it. So here it is. Here's me. Again, I did all in blue as my parallel lines, and all in red is my transversals. So I labeled it and defined it so that I knew what I had. Then next, you are going to put all the pictures together in one document and submit it to the Selfieometry assignment in Schoology. So here is my quick little rendition of this. Here's my first picture. Here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, here's 6. And each one has either 1 or 2 of the terms on it. So you could have up to 12. And you're going to put them all into one document, and then you're going to submit that to the Dropbox in Schoology, into that assignment. Okay, if you have questions, come and ask. It's up to you what kind of a document you put in, but you're basically making a collage of 6 different pictures. So, the Selfieometry Project and all the homework in Go Formative, which is what, 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, there is no 5-4, and 5. All of that is due by Friday, May 28th, next Friday from when I'm making this video. If you have questions, come and ask. We're going to talk about it a little bit in class. Otherwise, good luck, and let me know if you need help.